My name is Jillian Justine.
I'm Victoria Haley.
And today we are doing Lab 9, which is about trash. So for 8 hours, we
About trash.
we collected trash. We have our trash bags, 13-gallon trash bags, and for 8 hours, we collected our trash that we used. So
We definitely didn't have to use 13. Okay, so
yeah, like she said, I mean, we didn't collect that much trash. I mean, this is like my trash, and then her trash. She has her own, so this is like just for one of us. So, okay, so I did mine from. I think I accidentally deleted that. I accidentally deleted my note that. Okay, so anyways.
Is it on your notes?
Yes.
Yeah, I think there's
there is.
Yes, okay, here we go. I don't know how that happened, but I recorded on my phone. Yeah, there we go.
And then here's mine. I did 1 from 9. And so in mine, I have a plastic food wrap. Do we need to go?
Hold on 1 second. Okay, it says till later, write down what time. We'll talk about it later, but I did my time from 10:30 in the morning to 6 o'clock at night. You did what? Yours from 1 to 9.
1 to 9.
So we'll later go over like all that. But okay, so estimate the volume of garbage that you collected. Keep in mind that one 13-gallon trash bag will hold approximately 12 gallons of trash. Now, okay, so
I think mine has about 2 gallons, but once we compact it, it's probably going to have 1.
I mean, you can kind of say mine.
We have basically the exact same in there.
Yeah, well, actually, I kind of would say mine's probably. I mean, in this 13-gallon bag,
I have more stuff in mine, but yours is bigger. Like bigger. Like the McDonald's bag is bigger.
Okay, yeah, I would probably say right now 4 gallons, but I'll probably compact it to 1 gallon. I don't know. I'm not really good with the volume. Okay. Now try to compact your trash with a garbage. Try to estimate it. Okay.
Did you see how fast he came up?
Okay.
I got mine ready for him.
Get in the picture. Okay. Yeah. At least it's like one of those something sticky is somewhere on the outside of the bag.
This is mine now, so mine definitely is a 1
Yeah,
gallon.
I mean you can compact it pretty a lot, so
yours is probably 2.
yeah. Okay, I would say down to 1. My hands are so sticky and it smells like syrup and getting hungry stuff. Okay. Categorize
Each thing.
okay. What you or your group has collected: glass, paper, plastic, metal, food, other. Okay. So
Plastic can go right here.
my
Plastic.
iPad still isn't turning on.
Styrofoam.
Okay. Let's try to.
Plastic. Plastic.
Okay, this is paper. Everything in it is
paper. Here's mine. Paper.
everything in here.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah. Put paper right here. Okay, paper towel.
paper. Everything in here is paper.
Styrofoam.
I don't want to take it out.
Plastic.
What's plastic? Here's plastic.
This is plastic. And then
Let me
cardboard.
try to do that.
That's all my stuff. Okay, so we have the plastic bag, styrofoam. Yes.
There's plastic. Plastic. We have aluminum. Aluminum. This is so sticky. It's absolutely disgusting. I gotta wash my hands after this. Blech. Ugh, gross. Gross, gross. I don't know what this would be in.
cloth.
Yeah, or other. This would be other. This would be cloth, I guess. Alright, that's it.
Okay, so here's all our stuff. We have the plastic,
I gotta wash
styrofoam, the aluminum, and then the paper, cardboard, and then this bandana is a miscellaneous other. And so all of this is recyclable, except the styrofoam. So I would say 98% of our stuff is recyclable.
Yeah. 100%.
But except that, so yeah, 90,
So that's the
98%.
only styrofoam thing that we have. So this is not bad, but
Yeah.
Okay, now take the garbage that you've collected and separate into two groups: recyclable and non-recyclable. Okay, so
Everything, yeah.
we'll all shove this over here. One group recyclable, and this group is non-recyclable. So, like I said, one thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So write down what time you started tracking how many. Okay. So once again, I did mine. Here, let's go first. I did mine.
We need to count how many is in each category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 plastic. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cardboard. 2 aluminum, and then one
cloth, and then one styrofoam.
Yep.
Okay, so like I said, I did my time from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. So the only thing plastic that I used was a plastic cup, plastic straw, plastic lid, and plastic bag.
And then I was from 1 to 9, and I used the plastic bag that had the food in it, and then like the plastic Walmart bags, and yeah, that's all mine.
Yeah, and I mean everything in my garbage was recyclable. I mean, everything in mine was recyclable, disposable, non-disposable, but yours.
Everything except the styrofoam
cup
you could do. So I had 98%
It's
recyclable.
like pink outside.
I know. Okay. So next we have our country. We
Yes.
did Switzerland.
Yeah, we chose Switzerland.
We don't need this anymore.
So yeah, let's throw that all that way. I'm just gonna show you here.
And then we recorded our volume as
Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to talk about our the country. So we were supposed to compare. Let me take this off really quick. So we're just gonna compare and contrast between Switzerland and the United States. So I'll read about Switzerland. You can read about the United States. We're just gonna go off of what was on the document on here on the United States, because we did do research on the United States, but like for some reason, like there was like I couldn't at least find anything accurate about it. It was always like either bringing other countries in or about China. I don't know why that would be on an article specifically about it, but the website that I got the information for Switzerland was actually on swissinfo.com. So here, I can just read some about it and you can read some. So basically, the United States is really bad at recycling and garbage. Like there's commercials about like where you see like how much trash is in the ocean.
Yeah.
That's kind of how Switzerland was. They're kind of like taking action into doing it. So basically, I found that 700 kilograms of trash per capita was what it was in Switzerland, and it tripled over the past 25 years. Now, this article that I read was published in 2015, or at least it was updated in 2015. So at 2015, it had tripled over the past 25 years and gone up by 350% over the past 50. So that's a lot. Within the recycling, 96% of the material recycled was glass, 91% was aluminum, 86% was steel, 83% was PET bottles, and 70% was batteries. I don't know about you, but I honestly don't know you can recycle batteries.
I did not, but okay. Okay, as of 2015, there was a motion underway in the Swiss capita Swiss to install recycling bins. And we in the United States do have recycling bins. I see them all around campus and basically anywhere we go. and we all have the recycling like thing. But like the cans for the neighborhoods, and each neighborhood has like a different time and a different color trash can.
Yeah.
And so I personally try to recycle
I
as much
try
as
to
I can,
recycle
but
as much
sometimes
as I can.
I just forget.
Like here in the apartment, I don't recycle. I feel like we probably should, but I know back home.
But we don't have a thing like there's just one dumpster. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
There's just one dumpster.
Now back home, like at home, like with my parents and stuff like that, like we recycle like 100%. I mean, we have like a separate trash can in the house along with the separate trash can out in the garage. So I mean, we do recycle like 100%. Like we don't throw away any. Like the only thing that we throw away basically is in trash is like food and not recyclable like styrofoam.
Yeah, but
cardboard.
So Swiss has better sorting systems at train stations since 2012.
Yeah.
I think that just having like certain trash cans out for certain like plastic, aluminum stuff does help people like notice it and helps with recycling, and that they do that both in Switzerland and the United States.
Yeah, I mean, whenever I read about this article, like I said, it was published in 2015, but they started a better sorting system at train stations in 2012, so I don't know if this was kind of like an experiment before they took actual action into seeing if people would recycle and pay more attention, but they said that the result was impressive and people disposed of 95% waste materials correctly. So, I mean, that really didn't include people leaving trash on the train, but I think that they probably didn't expect it to be that much. But I mean, people do pay attention, I guess, for the most part whenever it comes to recycling. I mean, like on campus,
if it's like in front of your face, then you will notice.
Yeah, I mean, like anywhere on a campus, like in Starbucks or something like that. I mean, there's like trash and like recycle. So I mean, like I said, I try to recycle as much as I can.
Yeah.
Because I mean,
but most all neighborhoods, like I haven't seen one that doesn't have their own recycling bin, so that does help.
I think it's a law.
Yeah.
But and then about the United States, we're just gonna go off the document that was posted. It said garbage. The United States is #1 trash producing country in the world at about 1,609 pounds a person annually. So that's a lot, which doesn't surprise me because, like I said, like commercials or anything like that about recycling, and you have all the pictures of the trash in the ocean and stuff like that. So I mean, I think we have taken, or the United States, have taken action in trying to recycle, but I feel like something big needs to happen because I mean, people do a lot of talking, but not a lot of action.
It says we generate 30 to 40% of most of the waste.
Yeah,
around the world.
Yeah,
so
and it says the U.S. makes up 5% of the world population. So, I mean, U.S. doesn't make that much doesn't make up that much of the population, but we generate more trash than anybody else.
Yeah. But and we're not the biggest country.
It says Americans use 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. Most of them are thrown away, so that's not good. I try not to use plastic bottles either. Like we have a Brita water filter that we use to try not to use.
I just refill my plastic bottles if I do use them.
Yeah, I mean, like I never use plastic bottles, like whenever it comes to water. Like I said, we have a Brita water filter, and we just have reusable cups here that we just fill up with water and stuff like that. So we try to recycle, we try to eliminate plastic, but it's also kind of hard whenever it's still being produced and still around us. Okay, I guess now we're going to repurpose an old t-shirt or tank top into a shopping bag.
So we have
Those are the wrong scissors. Let me go get
this old stadium shirt that we're going to cut and make into a thing.